Hey guys, today is a Monday and I did not have a chance to I haven't had a chance to sit down and actually record anything. As you guys know, last week Friday Cuba passed away, and I thank you guys so much for all the support and the comments that I had underneath that video. And throughout that week, he passed away on a Friday, so I had the weekend to really like mourn him. I really feel like I can't talk about him too much. I miss my dog a lot, and it's probably silly to a lot of people. I'm just grilling right now. I have a grill pan from IKEA. I could pan down and show you guys in a minute, but I'm just gonna grill some veggies off. But thank you, like I said, for all the outpour of support. And like I was saying before, if you guys don't have dogs, you don't know what it feels like to lose one. And he really was a family member. All my family has called to say, it's okay, Rao, it's okay to feel the way you feel, because Cuba literally was a part of our family. Christmases, holidays, you know, he would get his own special meal. People would buy him gifts, so he definitely was a part of our family. He was my love. I loved him so much. I still love him so much, and I miss him. And after that, I had the whole week to kind of, you know, get used to coming home and not having my dog here. And then my little sister just came to town. Today is Monday. She got here yesterday, and my life has really just been a whirlwind. Like, last week I was with my sister at the dealership trying to get her a new car, and you know, just life really has been shaking the table for me. Let me tell you. I'm not one of those YouTubers that's gonna come on here and paint a perfect picture, paint a perfect life, because life is not perfect. Life is a bunch of ups and downs, highs and lows, peaks and divots, you know? So I'm here to tell you that right now. Yeah, if you guys don't know, my little sister Anaya, she just moved here. I think I might have mentioned it a couple vlogs back that she would be moving to sunny California, and she's here. And I was actually planning on getting up this morning early to record a video, but since she's moving in, all of her stuff is in my space. So unfortunately, unless you guys wanted to see moving boxes and stuff, I wanted to do like my favorites or something. Favorites and a makeup tutorial. But yeah, her stuff is in my space, so I couldn't get there. And it is what it is. I'm doing my best. I can only do the best that I can. So hopefully this will suffice. I don't know. I don't have any. I wish I had stuff for like a question and answer video. Right now I'm grilling some veggies off, and I need to baste them with barbecue sauce. So I probably will do that, and I have to clean my kitchen. So I just figured I would knock two birds out with one stone. The only problem with recording like this is, maybe I should put you on this side. The only problem recording like this is that I won't stay in focus. See, like if you see, oh, can I turn it? Can I turn it this way? You could see like all in here is her stuff, all back here. So what can I do? Okay, this looks better. Let's get it right here. So right now I'm just grilling off some veggies. We went to the pool yesterday to just decompress and, you know, welcome Anaya, and we had a lot of veggies that were left over, so I said I'll just make them today. So that's what I'm doing. I probably should get my barbecue sauce ready to go. But, so you guys are in it, you know, this is my real life. I live a full life, I feel like. I have my son that I look after all day, every day. I'm a stay-at-home mom, and I'm also a working mom, and because I work from home, I probably will be going back to the workforce soon, which I really don't want to, but you know, it is what it is. I have dreams and goals and things that I want to save up for, and those are all things that I would prefer to get there quicker than later. So that's that. Did I tell you guys thank you for commenting on my video? I think I did. I should have like a layout for this, but this is real life, you know? Just rambling. So right now on the grill, this is my grill pan from IKEA. I'll show you what I have. So I have zucchinis, mushrooms, and carrots. I'm using these as hot dogs. They're carrot dogs. They actually taste pretty good. Once you get all the toppings on them, it's really good. And here I have baked beans. So that's what I am doing. I'm Disarray that I really can't focus on anything until my house is clean. How many of you guys are like that as well? Please let me know, because I know I'm not the only one. I can't concentrate, I can't focus in disarray, and that's what my house is right now. So this coming week is probably going to be a full week. I have to go back to the DMV. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram stories, please head over to Instagram. I'd love to interact with you guys on there. If you don't, because I'm not really using Snapchat. I'm not really liking the Snapchat update that happened. So Instagram is where it's at. I'm on Instagram stories. I left the door open to the fridge. So follow me on there, because then you guys will be able to keep up with me day to day. So if I wasn't able to post a video like I didn't on Friday, I announced it on there. It literally, Friday made a week of Cuba passing, and it's been so overwhelming for me. And I don't know why. And I would always joke with my sister, I'm like, oh my gosh, when Cuba goes, like, legit call 2 gurneys, because I'm going to need the second one. I can't be near it. And not putting it into the world, but I think mentally, emotionally, I was trying to prepare myself, and I still wasn't prepared. The moment that he passed, I was pretty close to on the floor. So that's what I'm going through now. On the scale, just to let you know how much weight I have lost, because it's a pretty good amount, you know, and I feel it in my clothes. Where I'm going to start seeing the weight loss next is going to be in my face, which I'm excited for, because I feel like I gained a little weight in my face. But also, if you need inspiration for the day to go get your daily workout in, I do snap myself in the gym. I don't go too hard because other people are in there. I don't want them to feel like uncomfortable, but I do snap that I'm in the gym. It's really important to me. It's really important to David and our lifestyle. We want to raise Denver to be an active little boy, because it's really important. I find it very, very, very important. I'm just flipping the food. So I guess this is more vlog style right now. I do have a cook with me, but the cook with me didn't really come out that way. Thank you so much for allowing me to have this time. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for allowing me this time to be in this space where I can grieve my dog, my best friend, and, you know, just try to get over that hurdling block. Sooner than later, I will love him forever. Thank you guys for allowing me to share him with you and share his lifetime with you. And I know if I would have caught his disease that he was going through earlier, we could have beat it with, you know, just maintenance, if anything. The doctors failed me, failed my dog. But I thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll probably cut it here so I can get this up. It's probably going to go up after 5 o'clock. I need to sit down tomorrow and get my life together. And any blessings, wishful, hopeful thinking for me that you guys can offer, I'd love and appreciate it. And probably from here on out, you probably will see Anaya in the videos, because she did move here. I said that. Yeah, that's the reason why my house is in such disarray, because she's trying to get her life settled here as well. So I wish you guys nothing but the best. I'm sending positive vibes to you and your loved ones, and I hope to see you guys soon. And until next time, please remember to be blessed, well dressed, and not stressed, and I'll see you there.